Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. And today we're out on the lake checking out a 2024 Sea Ray SLX 280. So we'll start way up here in the bow on this SLX, and you can see right off the bat that you do have this beautiful Lumar windlass that is got controls up at the helm. You can pop this open and see a little bit of your operation there. And immediately to the right of that windlass, you've got your bow spray down. You can see while I'm sitting up here, you do have plenty of room in this bow. You got storage underneath each of these seats up here, as well as your armrest you can flip down. Lots of space up here to hang out for entertaining and whatnot. You've got lights in each cup holder, as well as courtesy lights up here. Just to show you, awesome feature of the SLX, if you ask me, is this flip-up storage compartment. You've got dedicated storage for your bow filler cushion, as well as both of your teak tables that you've got on this boat. Also want to acknowledge the first spot for in-floor storage on this boat. Nice spacious locker in there. We'll work our way back into the cockpit a little bit. And so off the bat in between here, you can see you got this nice wind dam to block out any kind of wind when you're captaining the boat, as well as a spot for your hideaway trash can over here under the helm. This windshield does close, give you a nice closed off look with that round windshield, and you do have a wiper up here. Taking a look at the helm real quick, you got two nice big 12-inch Simrad screens, as it gives you a super sleek look on the dash here. You got all of your engine management and chart plotter controls are in those Simrads, as well as Sea Ray's screen here, where you can control the lighting, check your fluid levels, battery voltage, any kind of alarms you have, anything like that. Take a look at some of your switches over here. Those are your manual buttons, and directly to the right of that is your control for your Linko trim tab system. That's Sea Ray's DRS, stands for Dynamic Running System. Dynamic Running Surface, sorry, and it gives you the smoothest ride out on the water, especially low speed planing, helps you out a ton. Also take a look at your Fusion stereo system. That's your head unit there. Got speakers throughout this boat. Give you the ability to listen to those tunes while you're out on the water. Taking a look over here on the port side, you can check out our head on this boat here. Got tons of room in there. It does fit. It's a full sit-down head. You got a sink in there as well. Got a small locking captain's compartment here. Put any kind of wallet, phone, keys, something you want to keep dry. It's a good spot to do it. Taking a look at our captain's chairs real quick. This has got full swivel and locking positions with bolsters on both of these seats here. And then our second in-floor storage spot is right here. We've got the covers stashed in here, taking up a good bit of that room, but you can still see there is plenty of space in there to store any kind of toys you have out on the water. All right. Bringing us right behind our main captain's chair here, you do have this refrigerator to keep on board. Works as a good spot to keep any kind of drinks, maybe a couple wine bottles. Keep those cold, especially if you have this boat plugged up in that onboard charging system. That'll keep that cold, anything you have in there, stay fresh. So we'll take a look at our entertaining area. You can see we are getting a good bit of shade from our canopy on top of our sports tower here. This is a powered tower, so just a click of this button here, and it'll fold right down to above the windshield. But you can see we've got tons of space in here around this beautiful teak table as well. One of my favorite features on the 280 here is this center console that you have in the cockpit. Got plenty of storage in there, cup holders, and right beneath that, you've got a wireless charging pad for your cell phone. Back here, you can extend this canopy. It's got a sliding apparatus to go back and cover up this full sun pad. And underneath here, you've got that big 6.2 V8 from MerCruiser. Do want to take this moment to show you guys another huge storage compartment on this boat. It is right in here. So you can see this opens up. It's where you have access to your battery switches, but that goes all the way in to the cockpit, so you can store full paddle board, anything long, go right in there, no problem. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrooks.